sorry. Oh. God. Oh, that was not. That wasn't a good one. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh my God. It won't stop. I think, guys, I'm gonna puke after this, I swear. Oh, God, kill me. Just kill me now. Oh, it won't stop. There it is. Okay, I burped and I blew it out and then it hit me in the face again because I just, the note, like, yeah. It's brown and one is like white-ish. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, excuse me. There has to be one. Existential crisis right now. Okay, we're back. Actually, I feel burp. Oh, there you go, Jay. Sorry. Oh my God. Thank you, Jet. I burped again. Sorry, that was so gross. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Where's it at? Good one.
Thank you.
So it's barely.